Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic AI multi-shot 2D cartoon short film, all generated automatically with using AI. Okay, let's get started. First, just open ChatGPT. This is where we will create our scenes prompt. For example, I will ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt like this. For example like this, you can just customize the theme depending on what kind of story that you want to tell. You can also describe the details clearly as you like. And then when you're done, type a request, just tap on generate. And then ChatGPT will give you a prompt that you can copy it. So let's copy the prompt. And then next open the Google Flow. And then just tap on new projects. And then choose text to video. And then paste the prompt. And then just go to settings, choose your model, and then choose your output number, and then choose your aspect ratio. In this tutorial, I will choose landscape ratio and then one output and model VO3 fast. And then after everything set, just tap on generate. And okay, your video is ready. Just try to play it. Google Flow generate your 2D cartoon film clip automatically. Now let's say you want to continue this story or make the film longer. It's really simple. Just repeat the same process. Go back to ChatGPT, request the next scene, and then copy the new prompt and paste it again into Google Flow. Then instead of starting a brand new project, you can also just tap on add to scene. This one. This way your film keeps building scene by scene. And okay, that's it. Now you know how to create a cinematic AI multi-shot 2D cartoon film using ChatGPT for the prompts and Google Flow for the generations. You can keep adding scenes until you have a full short film. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.